Okay, so if you're a bit of a cheapskate like me who likes to replace his own batteries on his iPhone, here's a little tip which I didn't realize. Okay, so I've watched all the videos that say, hey man, look, it's really easy. Just make sure you don't put the little pick thing in too far and all that sort of stuff because you don't want to damage anything. Well, in those videos, the lips around the sides were quite thin. However, if you look on my iPhone, what is it, a iPhone 10 XS. Look how wide that lip is. Oh yeah. And so the result was I actually destroyed the screen because I didn't put, as per their advice, I didn't put the pick in too far, and the end result was that the glue was still there, and you can see there, right across the edge there, I've actually torn the LCD off the back of the touchscreen. So there you go. So if you think about changing the batteries on an iPhone 10 XS, yeah, don't.